This is the Untwist Tool Pro-56 and his bigger brother Untwist Tool Pro-67. The Pro-56 is designed to successfully untwist Cat5e and Cat6 network cables. If the Cat6 cable has a thicker jacket around each conductor, Pro-67 comes to the rescue. Besides Cat6, Pro-67 is designed to easily untwist Cat6a and Cat7 network cables. The Untwist Tool Pro is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can go through more than 2,400 twisted pairs on a single charge. Once the battery is low, it will take about 40 minutes to fully charge via micro USB port. The tool uses centrifugal force and slight pressure to untwist and separate twisted pairs. The button has two directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. By pressing the bottom part of the button, the tool head will start spinning counterclockwise. For most cables out there, this is the correct head movement for untwisting the pairs. How is it done? Real simple. While the tool head is in motion, you will slowly approach the top of the twisted pair and let the stainless steel blades do their magic. Once the blades catch the conductors, the pairs will start to separate. At that time, you should apply some pressure and push down towards the bottom of the pairs. As soon as you reach the bottom, release the button and pull the tool back. Use the grooves on the side to straighten the conductors. Repeat this process for all twisted pairs. If you are having issues while using the Untwist tool, please check out our troubleshooting videos, Instagram or Facebook profile, and feel free to send us an email. Our main goal is to make every customer happy